I went to see a legend just the other night in the Yankee Stadium underneath the lights. I heard a man speaking after years and years in jail. His name was Mandela, and he came to tell his tale. Cheered him loudly, and a silence fell as he spoke about the hard years in a South African cell. And though he was free, his heart was feeling the pain that his country and his people were still held down by apartheid's chains. He said he hoped we'd join him and we could walk down freedom's path. And though these roads were the hardest, they would be the last. To join our hands together so that we could be as one, to find ourselves the courage so that the struggle could be won. I went home to bed that evening. I fell asleep and I had a dream. I was standing in the pouring rain in an Irish field of green, and all around were gravestones, the martyrs of the past. I stood there in the silence till they spoke to me at last. Kevin Barry is my name. I was tortured in a cell. They wanted the names of my comrades, but I wouldn't tell. And I am a Roger Casement. I was hanged by England's hand for bringing German rifles to the lonely Bannerstrand. James Conley is my name. The working people were my life. When they killed me in Kilmainham jail, it caused great civil strife. And I am Padraig Pearse. I was shot down by the foe, 'cause I read the proclamation outside the GPO. The last voice that I heard, he said, my name is Bobby Sands. And it's good to hear Mandela's words ringing through the land. When I hear them spoke in Belfast and in Derry and Tyrone, maybe then those English soldiers know it's time to go home. When I woke up the next morning, I made sense of it all.